Welcome to our list of the most powerful gaming laptops for serious gamers and creators. These machines deliver next-level performance, advanced cooling, and stunning displays designed for 2026 gaming demands. From desktop replacement monsters to premium portable powerhouses, here are the top contenders you need to know. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 1. MSI Titan 18HX-AI. The MSI Titan 18HX-AI is a flagship 18-inch gaming and performance laptop designed to push the limits of mobile computing. It features a stunning 18 UHD plus 3840 by 2400 mini LED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, VISA Display HDR 1000 certification, and wide color coverage, delivering vibrant visuals for gaming and creative work. At its core is a powerful Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU with up to 24 GB GDDR7 memory, enabling desktop-level performance for AAA gaming, AI workloads, and content creation. The advanced MSI Overboost Ultra technology offers combined CPU-GPU power up to 270W under load for peak performance. Built with a durable magnesium-aluminum alloy chassis, it includes a Cherry MX mechanical per-key RGB keyboard, extensive I/O including Thunderbolt 5 and HDMI 2.1, and a robust cooling system to maintain sustained performance. While heavy and best suited for plugged-in use, it stands as one of the most powerful portable machines available. Number 2. Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10, balanced power with smart features. Lenovo's Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 continues the Legion trend of pairing high single-threaded gaming performance with solid thermals and a thoughtful chassis design. The Gen 10 models lean on Intel Core Ultra processors and NVIDIA RTX series mobile GPUs. Lenovo's product pages list current high-end configurations and emphasize AI features and performance tuning for gaming workloads. Where the Legion often wins is in the balance, strong CPU/GPU combos, good thermal headroom, and Lenovo's software stack, performance modes, AI assist features, and user-centric tuning that helps squeeze real-world performance without the excessive noise or heat of some crazier desktop replacement machines. For gamers who want near-top performance but prefer refined ergonomics and a tuned user experience, the Legion Pro 7i is a compelling pick. Number 3. Asus ROG Zephyrus G16, portable, premium, and clever. The ROG Zephyrus G16 has long been Asus's answer to gamers who want a highly portable 16-inch machine that doesn't compromise too much on power or display quality. The latest G16 iterations use Intel Core Ultra processors, 285H series in recent models, and offer up to NVIDIA RTX 50 series laptop GPUs in flagship SKUs, bringing strong multi-core and graphics performance into a slim chassis. Asus outfits the G16 with high refresh rate displays. Options include QHD panels with fast refresh, a robust I/O array, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1 FRL, SD reader, and ROG's software ecosystem for tuning and streaming. Its advantage is an excellent performance-to-portability ratio, strong enough for AAA gaming and video work, yet light and compact enough for daily carry. That makes it a top choice for creators and competitive players who travel. Number 4. Gigabyte Aorus 15X, slim chassis, gaming muscle. The Gigabyte Aorus 15X targets users who want a traditional 15.6-inch gaming experience with a high refresh display and higher-end CPU/GPU combos packed into a relatively slim, stylish body. Historically, the Aorus 15X has shipped with very capable Intel Core HX or high-end desktop-class mobile CPUs, for example i9-13980HX in 13th Gen SKUs, and GeForce RTX series GPUs, with display options up to WQHD at competitive refresh rates, e.g., 165 Hz. Gigabyte tends to configure the Aorus 15X with fast DDR5 memory, high-capacity NVMe storage, and gamer-friendly features like per-key RGB, mechanical-like keyboards, and robust cooling for its thin profile. The 15X is a solid option for gamers who want strong frame rates in a more compact form factor without stepping up to the larger and heavier desktop replacement class. Number 5. Acer Predator Helios Neo value-oriented performance with modern features. Acer's Predator Helios Neo series is aimed at buyers who want modern performance and smart features at a more accessible price point than ultra-flagship models. The Neo family, recent 16 and 18-inch variants, offers Intel Core Ultra processors, NVIDIA RTX 50 series options in higher SKUs, and fast panels, up to 240 Hz OLED on the 16-inch or Mini LED 250 Hz on larger screens in some configurations. Acer stresses balanced thermals, plentiful I/O, Thunderbolt/USB-C, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, and user-friendly tuning software, plus a typical Predator aesthetic with RGB and aggressive vents. Where Helios Neo stands out is delivering RTX-class performance with modern displays and expandability, while usually undercutting the very high prices of boutique desktop replacements. A smart middle ground for serious gamers who care about value. If you need raw, desktop-level performance and the best cooling/power envelope, the MSI Titan 18HX AI is the top pick. If you want a balanced, choose the Legion Pro 7i Gen 10. For the best blend of portability and high performance in a premium 16-inch package, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 is ideal. More traditional 15.6-inch gaming laptop with strong specs, the Gigabyte Aorus 15X is a great fit. Finally, for value-conscious gamers wanting modern GPUs and fast displays without flagship pricing, the Acer Predator Helios Neo provides the best compromise. So, guys, that's all for the dot. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.